The most amazing thing about this world of wonders is that we can understand it. It is not at all evident why this had to be the case, but it is the case, and there are two reasons why. First, underneath all the immense complexity and apparent randomness of the natural world, there seems to be an intricate order. To perceive this order, we must look beneath the surface, often with specialized instruments, but it is there nevertheless. What is more, the human mind can apparently understand the underlying structure in the universe. A cat can't understand calculus, and likewise there is no compelling reason why the inner workings of the universe should be comprehensible to us, but they are. The human mind apparently apprehends the abstract patterns within the universal weave. We can see, for example, that the orbits around the sun can be simply described as ellipses. We can give a complete description of the physics of light in 4 short equations that would fit on a t-shirt. Nature is replete with such miraculous orderly relations. And the human sense of aesthetic simplicity seems to be an excellent guide to comprehending that order. Perhaps, as the poet concluded, beauty is truth, and truth beauty. That is all ye know on earth and all ye need to know.